very different video for my channel, but I don't really upload a lot of videos to my channel, so is anything really very different? But anyways, hi, my name's Meredith. You may know me from my videos about moving to Scotland, or studying abroad in Ireland, or reading books. So today I'm coming at you with something a little bit different. So let me give you some background information. It is currently March 1st, I believe, and that means that this is the almost 1 year anniversary of lockdown, and it has been almost nothing but negatives, but the one shining good thing that came out of it is that I got a new cool lockdown hobby, and that was roller skating! Just like everyone else in the world, there is a global roller skate shortage because of everyone trying to get into roller skating during lockdown. And you know what? It's really fun, and I don't blame them. I got my first skates back in April of last year. I got some beautiful light pink Impalas, and they have served me very well, but I think it's about time for me to upgrade. So I've seen some interesting reviews for Impalas online about them being cheaply made or falling apart, and while I have loved these skates this past year and I haven't had anything wrong with them so far, I know that I'm gonna be using them a lot more once the weather starts to get better in Scotland. I can already see the leather coming up from the heel of the boot a bit, and I'm just so worried that if I start going to a skate park or if I start doing like long distance skating on trails and such, that they're gonna fall apart and I'm going to ruin my ankle or just have a really bad day. So I have taken the liberty upon myself to order new skates, and not just any new skates. I have ordered Moxis, and I didn't think I'd be able to order Moxis this year because they have been out everywhere. Not only that, but you can't order Moxis from the US to the UK right now, which is so depressing. But I recently saw that a skate shop in London had the exact color of Moxis I wanted available. They had one pair left, and it was in the size that I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be, which is why I'm doing this video right now, because I don't know if they're gonna fit. They had one pair in the size that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be, and I got a little wine drunk and I just said screw it, and I ordered them, and I'm still a little bit stressed about how expensive it was, but if it fits and this box contains what I ordered, it will be so worth it, and I will be so excited. Which brings me to the point of this whole video. This is my Moxi roller skates unboxing, and I am so excited. So I don't know if it's going to be blasphemous to try these on with Impala socks, but they're kind of all I have, and they're nice and thin, so we're gonna mix brands here, and it's gonna be controversial, but I hope you're along for the ride. This box came while I was working from home, and it has been eating me alive not to open it, and I am so excited. I am cutting very bad because I'm nervous. My heart is beating. Oh my god, it says Moxi. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks like all the boxes that I've seen in all the pictures. Oh, I can see them through the hole, and they're the right color, I think. Oh my god. Look at this box. Oh, please fit, please fit, please fit. So here is the box. Here they are. I can't put this off any longer. I'm gonna have to open it. Oh. There's paper hiding it. We've got an owner's manual, very important. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Oh, look at them. Oh my god, and they've got, look at them. Oh, they smell like Christmas morning. Oh my god. Look at you. Oh, please, Lord, let them fit my foot. I'm not sure how I feel about this fabric-y thing at the back, but maybe that's new. Or maybe that's what they all have and I've just never been like up close to like a pair of Moxi lollies before. But I am still excited. So where are the laces? Why don't they have laces? Never mind. I see the laces. They're in the shoe. Ooh, and we've got some outdoor wheels. These are some gummy wheels. Look at that. Ah, aren't they gorgeous? Ugh. And it's got the laces. And the laces were inside. Amazing. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it feels right. So the skates are what I thought they were going to be, which is very exciting. Now, this is time for the moment of truth, which I am very nervous about while I take off my socks and put on new socks for you guys. All right, let's do this. Oh, comes with a tool. I almost shoved my foot into that. That would have been good. She just messaged me back. What a concept. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's really hard to tell if they fit without the laces. I did not anticipate this. But look at that. It's on my foot. That's a start. Maybe you want to see me do some laces. Is that something that YouTube wants? Do you want to watch me do laces? Do I even know how to do the fucking laces? No, I do not. Dangerous. I like to keep it a little bit dangerous. Won't be too good for love. I'm serious. I like to keep it a little less serious. Am I too good for love? That looks like a skate. Yeah. Don't judge me. I can feel your judgment through this camera. Anonymous audience who may or may not be watching my video. Oh, baby, breathe now. Roll down the window. No conversation. No conversation. Oh, feel the breeze now. Roll down the window. No complicated. Complicated. It feels like it fits. Like, I don't think I could imagine a different size fitting better. Ah, okay. Got some room. Okay. Ooh, it's very wide. I feel like it fits. It has to. Ladies and gentlemen, I think they fit. Why, hello there. Are you looking for a roller skater? All right, let's try the other one. The skates themselves don't smell weird, but there's a weird smell somewhere. But I'm not ruling out the possibility that that is me. No, I won't save you, but I'll show you how. Get yourself off the ground. Not gonna let you down. Yeah, we could skate all day and all night long. But we're flying now. Not gonna let you down. Can I crazy leg? Not well. Yeah, it's hard at the toe stop. They feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I look kinda hot. Ah, God, I just wanna dribble so bad, but I haven't had my toe stop on in forever. Whee! Ugh, look at them. Okay, I think they fit. Let's take them for a spin.